One more thing before we start working on projects. The question often comes up, should I learn JavaScript by itself, often called vanilla JavaScript, or should I use a framework or library? There are uncountably many JavaScript frameworks and libraries. The most popular ones as of this recording are probably React, Angular, jQuery, and Vue. And they all offer benefits and drawbacks that are worth discussing. Using a framework can make life much easier because there are few tasks or problems that someone else hasn't seen before, and if you find a framework that deals with that problem, you can get on with your own work more quickly. A framework may include ideas and cleverness that you wouldn't have thought of otherwise, so they can be great learning tools and help you avoid common problems before you face them. A good framework will probably have security features built in that you would otherwise have to implement yourself. On the other hand, JavaScript libraries are a major contributor to page bloat, especially if used incautiously. You can also run into the "when you're a hammer, everything looks like a nail" problem, where you use a library for more than is necessary, ending up using JavaScript way beyond progressive enhancement, sending your site's accessibility out the window. You may also encounter security risks. Popular software is usually well tested, but it has to be, because anything popular becomes a target. Vulnerabilities could exist in features of the library that many people don't use and could go unnoticed. With vanilla JavaScript, you will hopefully only write as much code as you need to accomplish a goal, which helps keep pages as lean as possible. Taking complete ownership of your code can be empowering, and, if you document your code well, can help you understand how everything works when you inevitably come back and revisit it later. And of course, having a solid grasp of vanilla JavaScript can only help you when you use a framework or library. My guidance is for every library or framework you want to use, consider what you're using it for. How much are you using it? How much of it are you using? Can you slim it down? Can you load it only on certain pages instead of on the whole site? As you gain more experience, you might switch to vanilla JavaScript or a lighter framework to accomplish those same goals.